So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. And in this video I'll show you guys how you can build a digital banking website using WordPress. You hear that right? We want to build a digital modern banking website using WordPress, and this is going to be developed using WordPress totally. And I love that you heard and you love what I just said right now. And this banking website has a lot of cool features I'm going to show you guys. It has every features you've been needing from a digital online banking website. So we're going to be using WordPress to develop this banking website. You can see how sleek and beautifully designed this website is. It's also a web app, and you can also convert it to a mobile application, which is very simple, easy. Either it's an iOS or it's an Android app you want. I can show you guys how you can actually convert your website into a mobile application, so you don't have to develop a website and start developing a mobile app. We're going to show you a quick way that you can actually convert your website into a mobile app. You can see how sleek this website is. It's mainly developed using WordPress, right? So let's go to there's a home page. Let's check on the About Us page. So this is the front end. You can see how the front end looks. So this is the About Us page. Wow, this is so slick, so awesome. So banking goals, identification, we have base wireframe creation, there's no launching, our scale, the leading source of our scale, so pay finances, so credit union and the likes. So deliver brand optimization, so slick, so awesome. So let's check on it. Has the take to the top. If you also want a live chat button, we can actually have that. So once you click on the logo, it takes us back to home. So let's go to the contact us page. Okay, I have to embed. So I'm going to show you guys. So let's quickly embed a Google map. Let's quickly embed a Google map on our site right here. Let's embed a Google map. So this contact us page, and this email is also not correct. So let's quickly do all of this. So I'm going to go straight back to my WordPress. I told you guys I will be using WordPress to develop this digital modern banking website real quick. So let's just log into our WordPress and edit that contact us page. And I'm going to take the address also. That's this address. I'm going to put it on Google Map. Let me show you guys how you can put a Google Map on your site. So let's search the place we want. So this is the place we want. So this is it right here. So share this location. You click on share this location. Then you click on embed a map. So this is the iframe source code of this. So I'm going to copy this, and let's go straight to our WordPress. So click on visit site. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually be a perfect WordPress expert, and you're going to love it. And we are developing a mobile digital banking website using WordPress. So we'll come right here and click on contact us. So let's go to the contact us page and edit that using Elementor real quick. So we want to edit using Elementor. Alright, so we are about to edit this portion where it says Google API is missing. This one also, we need to change this. This also, we have to change this. So what we're going to do, so we're going to delete this. We don't want the Google API. So we're just going to click here. You can see this place here, this menu. Then you're going to type HTML. So we're going to take this HTML and put it. Yeah, we're going to have this one. Alright, so we're going to have this at the top right here. So we'll type on the HTML again, HTML. So we're going to fix it there. Then we'll put in our HTML codes. So our HTML code goes down right there. Then we click on update. So we have had our Google map. You can see it's right here, a live Google map right there. Alright guys, so let's get back to what we're doing. So let's refresh this page. So once we refresh this page, you're going to see that our Google map is going to be here. So that is how you can add Google map to your site. If you want a live Google map on your site, that is how you're going to add a live Google map on your site. You can see it right here. So it's right there. So let's see the pretty things we can do. So let's log into an account and see how powerful an account is, what we can do, what we can actually do on our site. This is a digital modern banking website. It's very powerful. You're gonna love all the cool features. I'm gonna show you guys how it works and how beautifully designed this is made and how functional. You're gonna love its functions. So let's log in. So at the first page, there's a verification which detects if it's a real human being or a robot that wants to access the site. So if it's a robot won't be able to do what we just did. But if it's a human being, then you can go ahead and proceed logging in. So I want to log into one of my existing accounts. So you say, hello, Mark, welcome to our internet banking. All right, so ensure you hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of cool features you're gonna love. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop this site, and I'll show you the cool features about the site, and we develop the site using WordPress. Okay, all right guys, so I want to explain the dashboard right here. So available balance is right here, income, debit, right? Then we have our savings account. So these are savings account and these are available balance in it. So we have loan and lines of credit. We have support, business support loan, right? And we have the FICO credit score. Now this is a credit score that enables you to apply for a very high loan. So if your credit score is high, you're able to apply for a huge amount of loan. Okay, so let's see on the menu side. So on our overview, As you can see, it has a welcome that's a good afternoon, Millie Westmark. At a glance summary of your account. So you can deposit, you can transfer funds, and you can also deposit using Bitcoin. So you can see we have Bitcoin, we have, if I say deposit crypto, let me click on deposit crypto. You can see you can deposit if it's Bitcoin, if it's Litecoin, if it's any kind of asset. So you're going to choose your asset. So as you can see, I have Stellar, I have Theta, I have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ray, Tron. You can also put USDT, you can put Pi, you can put any kind of coin you want to put. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually add all of those assets or those crypto assets to your site. All right, so on the middle side right here, we have the dashboard, we have my account summary, transfer, cross-border transfer, deposit check, pay bills, visual card, cryptocurrency, KYC status, loan and credit finance, link external card, account settings, and support. Right, this is the very cool features that we're gonna love. And I'm also going to log in as the administrator and also show you some cool features that the admin can do on our site. So I'm going to log in as the admin and show you some cool features the admin can do on the site, okay? Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is, okay, let's say we want to transfer, okay? Okay, before we transfer, let's deposit. Let's click on deposit. So as we want to deposit into our account, so we have check deposit. So we have check deposit, okay? So check deposit is a kind of deposit whereby maybe you have a contract or you have a kind of business deal and they paid you, but they paid you using check, and you don't want to cash out the check, you just want to deposit direct using the check. You just have to come right here. So the check amount, let's assume when the check amount was $10,800, and so you're going to choose the front side of the check. So let's assume this is the front side of the check, and let's also assume this is the back side of the check. Okay, so we're going to click on submit. So once we click on submit right there, the admin is going to get the prompt notification, and once the admin got the prompt notification, it's going to validate the check. And if the check is awesome, if the check is valid, if the check is current, it's going to cash out the check and deposit it straight into your account. Okay, so guys, this is a very powerful project. So we've just done a check deposit. So your check has been successfully deposited. Then the accountant or the manager is going to verify that and have you credited. The next one we want to do is let's also deposit using crypto deposit. All right, so we're having network problem. So let's deposit crypto also, and we're going to approve all of those deposits. So we can deposit crypto. So for you that will be needing the plugins that I use for this project, the resources are available, the team, the plugins that are being used for this project. So you can reach me out on my WhatsApp number, which is going to be on this video description, and also my channel profile, so that you can get access to the resources we use in developing this project. So let's say I want to deposit Bitcoin, $9,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I'll click on continue. So the QR code is going to be right here. So open image in a new tab. So I want to know the directory of it. Okay, so let's just ignore that. So it's under personal banking crypto action deposit. So we're going to enter into this file, and we're going to change the QR code of it. So this is what I'm depositing. So I'll copy this wallet address. This is the wallet address of the bank. This is the Bitcoin wallet address of the bank, and I'm going to open my app and send that amount of BTC 0.109037773 BTC, and the address, my own Bitcoin address that I used. So this is my own Bitcoin wallet address that I made the payment from. So in case there is any instances, they can actually refer back to me using this wallet address, which is my BTC wallet address. So I'll click on confirm transaction. So you can see deposit is a success in it. So that has been done. So the next thing I want to do is, so I want to make a transfer. Let's also make transfers. Let's see a lot of cool features that we can do right here. So you can see your digital wallet. You have digital wallet, Selar, BTC, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tron. So this is pending. You can see how powerful this project is. You can actually use it as investment. You can use it as online banking. You can use it as online loan platform. You can also use it as a VTU for payment of bills. So you can see right here, pay bills. So we're going to check each and every one of these functions. All right, so account summary. Let's go to transfer. So we have two types of transfer. We have the ordinary transfer, and we also have the cross-border transfer. So from where am I transferring? So you can see this widget. So pay for goods and services on cross-border transfer. You can see this beautifully designed function. So let's see, maybe I want to transfer $1,000. So I'll click on continue to next step. So you can see we can access all the banks that we can access. Bank routing number. So I don't know the bank routing number. I'm just going to put anything right there, the account number. Account holder. So my name is Prosper. I'm the owner of the channel, owner of all of this software. So you can contact me. You have nothing to worry about. I know a lot of people has undergo a lot of critics of people that they say scam them of software, but it's not my case. Okay, so I'm very straightforward. A lot of people have done business with me, and I'm just writing my name there so that you will know that this is Prosper here, Pink Tech. Okay, so let me say Prosper, PNGS Tech. So that is my account name description. Um, let me say for project files. All right, so let's click on continue to next step. So this is the account we want to transfer to, all of that. So we'll go ahead and click on continue transaction. So processing transaction, please wait. So it said before you proceed, the IMF code is required to enable you to continue with this transaction. Please contact any of our nearest branch or our online care representative. They will help you with the appropriate IMF code for this transaction. So we can actually, on this information, we can put the support mail. Okay, we can put the support mail. So I'm going to get the IMF code, and also I'm going to put support mail where they can copy and contact. And if you actually need a live chat, we can actually do that, a live chat. All right, so let's go to the admin part. So this is the administrative part. So this is the account we're operating on. So we can view details about this user. So this is the IMF code for the user. There is something we want to do, Abby. Let's come to general settings. So it is support. So this is for the IMF code with, or let's use this at. All right. So we can actually do that for all. So we want to put our customer care online representative on in all. All right, so let's go ahead and enable that. So let's go back to the manage user. So let's okay, that has been done. So let's go back to our users. So this is the user we're operating on. So we can view transaction, view details rather. So this is the IMF code. So this is the IMF code. So we'll go ahead and copy that. Then we'll come here to the user and we'll insert the IMF code and click on verify. So that was correct. So the code, now you can see this support is not here, right? So let's go back right here again and get our code. So transaction successful. So these are receipts. We can go ahead and do Control P to print screen. So you can see this is the receipt. We can go ahead and print this receipt. So just go ahead and print. So I'm going to cancel right here. Then I can say take me back home. It's going to take me to my dashboard right here. And the next thing, we did some deposits, so let's quickly go and approve those deposits. So we only have $9,000 remaining in this guy's account. So let's come right here. Let's cancel this. Let's go to check deposit. As you can see, we have pending transaction. So it can be pending. You can go ahead and clip it, then you update it. Then let's come to pending deposits on crypto. So as you can see, so let's go ahead and approve it because we saw the money. So let's go back to this user right here and let's refresh. So we have some money added to this user account. So as you can see, debit, credit. All right. So the next thing we want to do is so we also have the cross-border transfer. So under the cross, you can add recipient. So let me add recipient. But this is going to take us a lot of time. Alright, so we want to add the recipient. Go ahead and click on submit. So that recipient has been added. So let's go ahead and make a cross-border transfer. You can see how powerful this project is. You can also create a payroll where you can pay your staff salaries. Alright, so from here we can now select, you can see it right here. We can select recipient, delivery date. So let me assume a month, so we're on the 3rd of March, and today's date is 10, so I want it to arrive on the 11th, and I want to send out, let me say 1,000. So we're going to click on proceed. So I say, kindly note, this international transfer cannot be cancelled as mentioned in the terms and conditions. By continuing this transfer, you acknowledge that this international transfer is not intended to anyone else than the named recipient. No third party has authority over the international transfer. So just click on continue right here. So before we continue, we need our IMF code. So come right here to the admin. Then we click on, or want to check on the user, then go to the specific user that is making the transfer. So let's come right here and let's view the details of this user. So you can actually make this transfer up to 5 transfer code. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do that. But first, let's complete this transaction. So this transfer has been initiated successfully. So you can just go ahead and do Ctrl P to print your screen. So you're going to print out your receipt. Alright. So once that has been done, so we can go back home. So we have initiated a normal transfer, a cross-border transfer. We've also done check deposit. We've done crypto deposit. So let's see the next one. Let's take loan, and also let's get credit card or debit card, whatever card. Okay, let's go to pay bills. Let's go to pay bills. So this banking project also can pay bills. As you can see, a lot of cool features on this site. Okay, they say we should add a payee just the way we did the other one. So let me say this should be my payee. 31st. Let me say 31st Street. Beverly. Beverly. So nickname, so I don't know what nickname. Let me just put, so let's click on continue. Oh, we've not put an account number. So this account number on your screen is actually my real account number, which is my UB account number. So if you want to show me support, you want to show me love, you can go ahead and make payment to the account. You're gonna see my name is gonna pop up. That's free. Alright, so we want to review the payee, so just go ahead and submit. Alright, we've successfully added the payee, so let's go ahead and pay bills. Let's pay a bill. Alright, so we're taking for our savings account, so we want to pay to, so month is 03. Let's say we want it tomorrow. We just want to pay 1000 USD. Let me say for allowance. So click on continue. So you can pay bill, you can do a lot of features with this site. So you can add as many just like a payroll, right? So continue with this payment. So you can add a lot of transfer code process. You know, we only had two, which is the IMF and the cut code. You can add as many you want, okay? Just for the user of this platform, only allowed two. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's come to general settings right here. You can see we enabled IMF and cut code here, and we disabled the tag code, we disabled the insurance code, we disabled the thing code. So this is 3 plus that 2 making 5, right? So that's what I'm talking about. So we can go on to the pay bills history. So it's on pending. So we're going to check on that later on. So let's see for visual card. So come right here. So we can request for a virtual card. Let's click on request. Alright, so this is the account holder's name, this phone number, this email address. So it's from Compton, California. So security question. So let's say what's your pet name? So the pet name, let's say Pussycat. So is it a Visa card, is it a MasterCard, or is it Discover? So let's say I want to go with the MasterCard. So I have, then apply. Alright, so we've applied for a card. So let's go ahead and check other things we've done. We've done crypto deposit, KYC status. So let's check the KYC status of this user. So this user has not done KYC. So let's apply for KYC. So it's a passport, national ID card, or driving license, whatsoever. We're just gonna upload some kind of dummy content right here, just for the sake of this tutorial. I have, so let's submit that. So you can see that this banking project has a lot of cool features that you're gonna love. So let's go straight to the, okay, this one is still loading. So your KYC has been submitted successfully and currently awaiting confirmation. Kindly anticipate our feedback between 2 to 3 working days. Thank you. So it's brought a reference number KYC A9PK1CKPH. Date of submission. You can see this is so powerful, so awesome. The next thing we want to do is let's go to loan and credit finance. All right, so how much do I want to loan? I actually want to loan 30,500 USD. Credit facility. So what kind of loan do you want to take? You can see that this project is so powerful. So it has personal home loans, we have joint mortgage, we have automobile loans, salary loan, secured overdraft, contract finance, secure term loans, startups at project finance, local purchase, other finance. We have operational vehicles, we have revenue loans and overdraft. We also have retail TOD. We have commercial mortgage, office equipment, health finance, product guideline, health finance. So what kind of loan do you want to take? Let me say I want to take operational vehicles. So I want to pay this $30,000. I want to pay in the next 3 years. Let's assume each year should be $10,000. So 10 times 3 should give us 30. So let me say I want to say I want to start up a caterpillar rental service to make income as business. So click on continue right here. So interest rate is 4 point something percent. So monthly payments, I'm supposed to pay 2,220.57 USD. That is total payable amount 79,000. Jeez, I borrowed 30,000. So monthly interest is $1,311.05, which is 50 cents also. No, that's 50 cents. Management fee $915. Credit insurance fee $244. Penalty charge $1,067.50. And we have total payable amount is $97,940 with 50 cents. So I'm supposed to be paying monthly of this amount. So you're expected to pay the sum of this on monthly basis for the next 6 months. Failure to comply with the terms accordingly will attract legal action or termination slash restriction of your pay finance account. Wow, that's good. Very good. If I borrow this money and the only thing they can do is to terminate my account, that's good. I just take the money, all of the money, and anyway, so this is just an educational purpose video. So I'm showing you guys how powerful this project is. So let's go ahead and request for the loan. So I'm showing you guys how you can actually use this project also. So we're covering all the scopes of this project, so that if you want to use it for your university project, for your high school project, for your college project, if you are asked to get this kind of a project done, you can see that this project is awesomely for you. And we are developing this project using WordPress, right? We are developing this project using WordPress. As said from the onset, or what we're just doing now, we're doing a preview of the functionality of our online digital banking website. All right, so we have applied. So let's check our loan history. Let's check our loan history. They said no data found. All right, let's go back to it again. All right, my request has been sent. So currently is on pending. So let me click to go back home. So let's see what's okay. We still have the link external card. So this banking project has the functionality to link external card. You know what that means? So if you have a physical card, you want to link it to your online banking so that you can be having swift transaction. You come right here and you link your external card. So this video is for educational purpose only. So let's go ahead, and so they say choose the account you want to link your bank to. So I use this account is a savings account, so that's the account we're going to. So let's say the name on the card. Let's say John Faggy John Ferguson. So card number. So you can see Google Pay would actually just do some generations for us. So CVV, let's just say 123, right? So go ahead and link the card. Oh, I should have used the guy's name, Millie West, but all good. Anyways, so we've linked our external card. So turn on manual notification. If you share this device, Chrome will ask you for verification every time. Okay. No thanks. I don't want that. Alright guys, so we've done a lot of deposits. We've done, so this one is still pending. Okay, the bill we paid. So let's go right here. Let's see what we still have. So we have account settings. Let's check on the account settings right here. The account settings of this user. So save my activity logs. You can go ahead. Oh shit. I mistakenly closed the browser. Alright guys, so let's come right here to the account settings. So I have a very slow network. So save my recent log. So you can go ahead and add your security pin code. Alright, two-factor authenticator. So all of these are, as you can see. Then the last but not the least function we have on the user end is the support. So let's check on the support. So support is actually reaching out to an online care representative department and having someone replying to your request on giving you assistant report. So it can be a customer service department or account department, transfer department, or card service department, or loan department, or bank deposit department. So I just want it customer service department. So what's your complaint? Let me just say I need more money. I need more money. So let me just go ahead and submit that ticket. So a ticket will be created. So a ticket has been created. So if I go ahead and okay, it's going to refresh by itself. And a ticket ID has been created and it's active and I can view it. So let's go ahead to the administrative end and see all of what we've done. So we did bill payment. So let's go ahead and view the bill payment. So as you can see, so it's on pending. So we can approve transaction, but first before we approve, let's view details so that we can go ahead and make the crediting for this. So status is on pending. So let's just go back and let's approve the transaction. So instantly, okay, account holder, then we should have put in the, okay, payee, this is the person, account holder, payee, then amount. Inside the account holder, we should have put the name and the account number during that process. But anyways, you've known what to do when it comes to that time. Then we'll go ahead and click on approve. So that has been completed. From the user account send mail. Let's go to visual card. Alright, so let's go ahead and approve the card. So card has been activated. So we also did KYC application. So let's go ahead and view the KYC application. So this is the front page. So we can go ahead and view the image. That's if it's the ID card, whatsoever ID card it is, then we can go ahead and view the back. Then once that has been done, we can go ahead and approve or disapprove. Reject the request, but this is just a tutorial purpose, so I can say enter a KYC remark. guy actually took loan too, so let's go to the loan. Let's see. So we can just go ahead and approve it. Also, we had for support tickets, submitted a support ticket so we can view it. So I need more money, so the admin can say you already have some money in your bank account and your loan request was already approved. Alright guys, so this is for general settings, logo, favicon, plugin, email service, miscellaneous. So let's see for the miscellaneous. So bank details that was uploaded here will automatically pop up when the user is adding recipient for international transfer. The criterion is user supplying an account number that matched with the already uploaded record. Therefore, if they fail to input an account number that matched with the record, input field will prompt out for them to fill it manually. So what this means is that you can create as much as more beneficiary you want. So when you want to make transfer, if you already created those beneficiaries, once you start typing either the account number, it will generate the user out for quickening of your processing. But if not, you have to type everything from the start to end, all of these information fields. So let's just add someone real quick. Account to that name, let me see. So let's say account type. So let's go ahead and save that. So I can see we've added a beneficiary. So you can add many more beneficiaries to this list. So also have the slider settings. So let's see the slider settings. Okay, this. Alright guys, so we've shown you guys how you can actually work with this project, and this is a WordPress project. So the next I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop this exact project. So stay tuned while we commence with that right away. Welcome back to the continuation of our next class. So right now what we want to do now is we want to start developing this online banking website using WordPress. I've already showed you guys the cool features about this bank, what the bank can do, all of its attributes. The next thing I want to show is how you can actually develop this online banking website using WordPress. Alright guys, so for you to get started, first thing you need is that you need a host and a domain, and I highly recommend you using Namecheap or Bluehost. So the ones that Mafilele could be available for, that is the one you should click to get your hosting and your domain. Alright, so we want to start the development. For you to get started, first thing you need is a hosting and a domain. So you just come right here to it and you search your domain. So let me say maybe this is png's trading, png's trading, right? Trading fs. I'll just go and click on search. So we are still waiting for the domain to pop up. Okay, it's available on $6, right? As you can see right here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add that to cart. So once that has been added to your cart, you come, so as you can see, so Control 5, it refresh. So I mostly go with, I mostly don't use US data center. So I can either go with Singapore or European. So you can just go with this first one, get started. So it's say already in cart. The one already in cart. Next thing I want to do is add to cart. So this is the domain, my domain privacy, and this is my host, right? As you can see that. So everything one year, premium DNS if you will. Let's see if there are some other packages. Free, yes, I will take that. WordPress hosting, I don't need that. High ranking search, free trial, I'll take that. Post your everything that is free trial here. Sometimes review manager, improve review rates with AI powered. I'm not sure we need that. So next thing I want to do is I'll go ahead and confirm order. So once I confirm the order, the next thing I want to do is I want to check out, right? I want to check out, so I will just go ahead and make use of, right? I'll just go ahead and just I have agreed, save this, I agree, I'll continue, then I make the payment. But I'm not going to make any payments now because I don't really need this. I'm just showing you guys how you can purchase your hosting domain so that you can get started in developing your projects. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just go straight to my own project that I already bought, and I'll start the development immediately. So I'm going to clear all the cards. Then I'll click on dashboard. Alright guys, so once you've done that, next thing you want to do is you want to go to your cPanel. So I click on go to cPanel. So once you have gone to your cPanel is the short form of control panel where you manage all your site data and site files. So I'll just come right here to file manager. So I'll click on file manager to check which one I want to use it for. Okay, I want to use for this subdomain. So you click on WordPress manager by Softaculous. And I'll click on install. Then I'll choose that subdomain. If your own is the domain, you do it on the domain direct. Alright, so I can say maybe this is my bank. So you can go ahead and edit all of this, your admin username and your admin password. So you can go ahead and edit them, but I'll just leave it. Since this is a tutorial video, I don't need to do much things. So I'll just click here to put in a mail that my installation info will come to. Next, I'll click on install. So once that has been done, the next thing I want to do is I want to go straight to my admin. So if you click right here to take you to your site, you can see our site just get started and there is nothing done on it. So next thing I'll go back right here and click on go to administration. So to make our work very fast and easy, we'll be uploading our template that we're going to use. For you to get started from the scratch is it will take you a lot of time. So to be just cut costs, we'll be using some themes and some plugins real quick to make our work very fast. Alright, I'll just say online word online digital word leading bank. So your capitalization can correct your capitalization. So AI is helping me to customize my site, but I still will not really need it, but I'll just allow them to do some crazy things. So this is Namecheat powered. So I want to go with get traffic. So I'll click on next. It seems they are trying to create a template for me. Namecheap is using this AI to create a template for me. Let's just say what Namecheap want to do, but if they not do what we want, we are going to use our own resource. Alright? Oh, they brought an already made design. So okay guys, let's just go ahead and look through these designs they have and see if we can use anyone right here. So guys, should we go ahead and make use of these theirs, or I'm seriously liking this their design. Oh. Let me check out this. Okay, so Namecheap can actually get us pre-made designs. Wow. So let's just go ahead and check out what their design is going to look like. Then after that, we'll just go ahead. If the design is not our choice, we'll just go ahead and create a unique design for ourselves. So you can just grab a cup of tea or a juice or water to just keep yourself okay while the content are being updating, uploading into our site. So our site will now be AI powered. Okay, that's so amazing. So let's go ahead and view our site. Let's see what Google has done for us. But the site is so fast, there's no animation. Oh, no, we don't need this. We really don't need this. We really don't need that. That's not what we want. So for we to get started, next one to go is to click on appearance, click on themes, you click on add new, then you click on upload, then you're going to choose a file. So if you need access to these resources, you just contact me and I will just send it to you straight away. Let me look for document WordPress and theme. Alright guys, so just go ahead and we install this theme. So this is the theme we'll be using for our project. Alright, our theme is being installing, so we just gotta exercise some patience while our theme resource. So at this point, if you like what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button because we need your subscription so as for motivations and for growth. And at the same time, the benefit of you subscribing is that you get notified when we drop amazing content just like this one and just like the previous ones we'll be dropping also. Okay, so guys, ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And at the same time, if you need access to all the resources we'll be using on this project, you just reach out to me and boom, it's all yours. Okay, all right, so we'll just go ahead and activate the theme. So the next thing we want to do is we just go to plugins, or we just go with the automatic wizard. So you want visual, not code. So we need finance. So we want Elementor. Alright guys, so these are the pre-made themes. So we're just gonna choose any one that we fit. It's gonna be better for us. Let's see this one. Alright guys, so we're trying to get this one tried, but let's check something else. So we are looking for, and at the same time showing you guys a lot of templates, and we just only choose finance, people and service. This is not all the templates, it's just some of the templates. So guys, which one would you prefer or should have gone with? Let's see this one again. Alright guys, let's just use this one. So you can choose any one of your choice, anyone that suits you more better. Let's see this one. This is what I'm looking for. So we're going with this. So click on select, complete site, next, Start installation. So our installation is being processed. Alright guys, so a site has been uploaded successfully. So next we want to do is we want to go down and check your site. So first of all, you want to check your site so you can see how beautifully designed your site is. Let me turn off these ones. Wow, 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 this is so sleek, this is awesome. You can see it. There's even no watermark on any of the images. The images came just the way they are. So this is so powerful, this is so slick, this is awesome. So the next we want to do is we want to go ahead with our banking development. We want to go ahead with the banking development, and also we want to start editing our site. All right, want to start editing our site. So guys, so our site is up and live. You can see how beautifully designed this project is. So bold, each lecturings are bold, well darkened. Where is white is boldly written. Everything is so awesome, so slick. I told you guys I have the best project for you. So just reach me up on my WhatsApp number. It's going to be on this video description or on my channel profile to get access to this result awesomely, like totally 100%, and you set up yours and follow up with the video. So the next thing we're going to do is now we want to start editing and making our banking website up and live. So let's check the other pages that we have. We have the About Us page. Wow. Slick. Beautiful. Beautiful. So legible. I love the design and and the ambience of the project. It looks so awesome. It looks so awesome. It is exactly what I'm looking for. To me, I choose the right project, the right template for this project. So we have the services page, and we can edit every of this with Elementor. So these are the frequently asked questions. So you put it in English, answer in English, answer in English. So let's go to the contact us page. So this should be a map. As you can see, there is a live map. There is a live map on this project. You can see this is so awesome. Look at the Rolex. Looks so awesome. With contact form. I love this project. So guys, now before we start developing this project, so let me show you the cool features of this project. Let me show you the cool features of this project. So welcome back. So what we want to start doing now, we want to start developing this project from scratch. So we need to work on the menu, we need to work on every aspect of the site. So I'm going to show you how you can edit every part of the site, how you can edit every part of the site. So we just go ahead and click edit with Elementor. So we're going to use Elementor to edit this site properly. So this is how I can create a logo. So I want to resize the image. So you can see how I'm getting things done. So this is the exact way you also get your things done, but the quality will be very bad. That is something I know for sure. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload our logo. I can actually just remove the BG since this is WordPress. Since WordPress um has ability to resize an image by itself. Let's upload it like this so that we can have a very clearer one. So we are uploading a logo. We don't actually have. So let's install this plugin so that it will help us to optimize our image. It will not be too big, and the size will not be too big also. It will just bring the best of. So we don't have any favicon, we can just use our same logo as favicon. So we're going to save changes. So these are where you can change your site primary color, secondary color, text color, accent. But I'm not going to do anything. You see what I'm showing, so mark as done. Logo also done. Then create your first page, create a page. We came here to edit your header, but you have to upgrade to Elementor Pro. And I have the Elementor Pro. So I'm going to install it later when I have better use for it. Okay, assign a home page. That also has been done. It's only header that remains. Alright guys, so let's go back. Alright guys, so if you want to change this, so I can say this is what Changes bank. So then this auto statement down. So we can just delete all this one and put something better up. So just something like this, you can just have this kind of statement. You just go by then your button, you change the link of your button, okay? Then all this number you can increase it, you can increase or decrease it. So like this one, the name can be let me see. So this one I can see. So that is how you go ahead and you edit every of the content in the page. Every of the content in the page, every of the content in the page. Okay, so the footer, you can't edit the footer now. So guys, let's go and edit the footer, the header, and also check for the logo also. So for you to be able to confirm your logo, so let's visit our site. Let's see if our logo was changed. So let us confirm everything about our site. So the logo wasn't changed. So let's go back to the dashboard so that we can change that logo real quick. So you just come to your B team right here. You come to dashboard or team options. Okay, that should be team options. So you come to team options, go to global, right? Then you click on logo. Then you change it to your own logo. Change this one to your own logo. Then your copyright. Okay. The next one to move to is also the copyright. Then once we're done working on that, we'll just work on the header and the footer. So new to AIO SEO Elementor integration, as I just got it. So we need to add our logo. So to go to site identity. So we need to create a logo. I use this Canva. This was where we are initially before we moved to the other screen. So I've gone ahead and saved it. Then it was showing network error. So we just exit from here. Then let's continue back with. So let's view our site once more. I've been having some few distractions lately, so this this time, so I've been pausing and continuing. But let's view our site so we'll know where we'll continue from. So we are trying to change the logo. So we've changed the logo. We actually changed some statement here. PNG's bank, online digital bank, a premium, not an premium. We're supposed to delete that A and be that N. Alright, you can see how beautifully designed this project is. Alright guys, so we have changed the logo. So let's check the footer. So it's still having, we need to change the footer. So you come right here to the dashboard. So under the B team, we come to team options. press. So this is the copyright section. So we'll just go ahead and say co copyright 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 2025. All right, reserve. So you just put in reserve. All right, reserved. So you just put in anything, you know. And what else we can do? So let's save changes. So we've done the copyright, we've done logo, also the footer. So for you to fix your footer, if you want to fix your footer, we can use the customizer, the theme customizer. So let's view our site. Let's view our copyright. So let's come back right here. So let's verify if that information was properly saved. So while we are getting to that, hope I've not run out of data again. So we want to customize. So let's click on customize here. Let's click on theme option here. Let's refresh this one. Okay, that has actually been refreshed. So under the customize, we just come to widgets, footer widgets. I got it. So you change this link to your own site link. Okay, this is an image. So let's see the footer. Okay, that is the image of the logo. So we need to know our own site's logo link. So let's browse our site. So guys, just watch what I'm going to do. So I'll right click on the logo link, then I will open image in a new tab. Then I'm going to copy this link. Then I'll come right here and paste the link here. You can see what I did. I can see it's changed. I can go ahead and publish that. Then for all this who we are, so we'll come to footer 2. useful links, as you can see them right here. So be career, we are who we are, this is who we are. So the link, you can put your site link here. So let me put that image link, then I will delete to this place. So if you click on it, it will take them to the site again. So I can now copy this link, just not to make it empty. So I can go ahead and publish this. Then once that has been published, okay, copyright, this has changed also. So this is the address. I can put this to and put this to you can see it. So you just go ahead, publish it. So I want to change this to I'll go ahead and publish it. So this has been published. So we've done our footer, and this generalizes for all pages. The footer is for all pages. So we can go ahead and check what is in footer 4. If there's nothing, you can put something. That is, it will automatically flex for 4 columns, also to 5 columns. So once that is done, you can quit your customizer. So let's go back to our theme option. So about to work on the footer, but the footer is already cool. So we can put those information. This is what I wanted to copy. Let me see, is it done? Re-edit this one. So instead of beating. So let's just go ahead and save changes. So we have standardized our copyrights, our last copyright footer. So the next thing we want to do is we want to work on our menu. We want to work on our menu so that we can add a button on our menu that we tell our users that login, like this buy now. So we need to check if there is a slider. So let's go back to the dashboard once more again. Let's come to revolution slider. So let's edit our slider. I have to be checking. All right, so this is the background image. You come to action right here. So once let's select this, you come to this the background, open image library. We can go ahead and change. We can centralize this one. This is the thumbnail. You can go ahead and edit it. Background for media library. You can go ahead and select what you want to change it to. And first button, you check on the action. So what link was there? So you click on it and see what's there. So the text is what? So let's change this. So it will be our site/account. So let's click on save. So let's check this simple link again. Okay, still our link. So let's check the next button. So this is an image, this is another text. Provide salaries for employers. So I can say provide Fidel and Swift banking for customers. Alright, so I've saved that one. Then copy text 6, rebuild your budget. So let's go to this one is image, this one is shape, copy shape. So we're looking for the buttons. Read more. We need to change the link. So let's check the text. We are here to help you. Okay. Copy text. Support company. Support your business. So image 2 all good. So we can go ahead and save this. Then let's head back to our WordPress. We can check if we have multiple sliders. So if there's multiple sliders, this is where you check for your multiple sliders. So all is good. You can go ahead and optimize for all. So the next one is we need to go straight to our menu. So go to appearance, we go to menu right here, and we need to add. So on this custom link, we need to change this by now to online banking. Online banking. Then we need to change this link to account, right? So we can go ahead and save this. So home, about us, service FAQ, contact, then online banking. So let's view our site. Okay, provide Fidel and Swift banking for customers. Okay, so I need to cut this one here, cut this one here. So guys, let's head back to our revolution slider, rebuild your finance, and so we need to cut that one too. So let's go to revolution slider and let's edit this slider. Alright guys, so I guess we've solved that problem. So let's view and be very sure of our problems we're solving. Okay, so you can see it's now well arranged. Everything looks so slick, so awesome. Alright guys, as we can see, our site is good to go. So let us install our plugin, our accounts, our banking plugins. So let's come to plugins. Let's come to plugins. So let's click on add new. So guys, we are actually developing a digital modern banking website. So guys, just stay tuned. I don't know, I've been having network issues. So we'll just click on login. Well, let's click on account. Alright guys, so we want to get a plugin that is going to help us to allow user creation, registration form, login form, and user profile. So we can just go with this. Or before we go with this, okay, let's just install this. We'll not activate it yet. Alright, let's go ahead and activate this one. That has to do with our online banking. So once that has been installed, go straight to our site. So let's click on online banking. Alright, so we are here. So the next thing we want to do is we want to log into admin. Alright, so this is our admin login and so here's our site, and we've gotten our account. So the next one to do is want to log into our administrative. So we need to get our admin login credential. So to get our admin login credential, let's just head back to our control panel right here. Then look for the PHP admin. Okay, seems it's this one we used. Alright, so let's edit the admin. So let's change the admin login so that we can log in as the admin. And once we've logged in as the admin, we do some pretty setup that we are supposed to do. So let's refresh. Alright, so to change your password, you just come right here and choose MD5 encryption. Then we're going to change our password to admin123. So this is our email. So we just go down right here and click on go. So let's log in back to admin. Alright, so if you come across this kind of error, so don't worry, it's just a PHP version. So come right here to and we'll just type PHP version selector. Alright, so you just come right here and you have to change yours to like 7.4. So you just come right here and change this to around 7.4, then you apply. So once you apply this, you come right here and just just come right here and reload it, and you'll be able to log in successfully. So as you can see, we are logged in. So the next thing we want to do is we want to start changing our logo. Alright, we'll go right here, we choose the logo we want, which is this our logo. We're going to update that, so you update it one after the other. We'll do same thing likewise for here. So you just do Ctrl F5 to hard refresh everything, so everything can come to life. Alright guys, then for your favicon, you can choose what you want to use for your favicon. Okay, the next thing you want to also do is to configure your email. Your site ought to send email. So come right to emails. This is how we can actually set up a site. So if we log out, let me show you something real quick. Now if we click on this logo, it's supposed to take us to our main logo homepage. So to do that, let's just come right here. So we're going to check the index. So we're going to edit the index. So you just look for where has the URL for that. So we'll look for the logo. So this is the logo link. So this is the logo link. account/hot. So we have to go to the account/hot and get the index of that also. So we need to change the index. So look for logo. So Control F. So that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, so let's click on online banking. Let's click on the logo back, so it takes us home. So this is how you can actually develop an online banking website using WordPress. So guys, stay blessed as you continue setting up your site to completion. So if you have any question you want to ask, ensure you write that in the comment section, because I'll be willing to answer to every of your questions you want to ask. So there will be as much question you will problem you might encounter, if I may say. That is, if you are a learner for the first time, you can't initiate thinking and you need solution to that. So just reach me out to my WhatsApp number. Is going to be on the video description and also on the channel profile, so that you can get your solution ASAP. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.